In today's video, I will be installing Temu's Deep Wave Burgundy 13x4 HD transparent lace front wig.
Hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, camera, click, we pose, beat.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒷𝒶, and if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. I bet you guys are wondering what kind of wig I got, and of course by the thumbnail you see it, but here is the look of this unit, y'all. Temu came through for your girl, okay? Like, this unit is everything. Like, look at this right here. Look at the details this unit has, and let's go on ahead because I'm gonna give y'all the rundown on this unit. Alright, first things first, let me go ahead and take this memory foam and these clips out of this unit, and also I'm gonna take off the net in order to get a better look at this unit. And as you can tell by my face expression, I'm excited about this unit and very surprised that, you know, it feels nice, it's soft, the curl pattern is beautiful. I'm just in love with the color of this unit. Now let me give you the details on the inside, okay? So this is a 13x4 HD transparent wig. It has literally 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and also 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and yeah, baby, this is secure, okay? And let's get into the curls. Soft, beautiful. I'm loving this. You can wear this on the beach, you can wear it on vacation, and the lace is soft. Now I'm showing you the lace against my skin, and I'm showing you the hairline on this unit. If y'all been watching my past videos, y'all know I love reusing my stocking cap, but thank God they sent your girl one. They sent me the HD wig cap. It comes with 2 in it, and it's so thin. I have never had a stocking cap this thin, and I'm like, what am I supposed to be doing with this right now? Because clearly I don't know. So I went on ahead and I put the stocking cap on my head, and I tried to put it on there the way I normally do, but then I saw that it was so thin, and I'm like, let me just do the ball cap method, and I did. So I went on ahead and I pulled the stocking cap down a little further, and I ended up spraying it with my got2b spray. Then I'm going in with my melting band. I'm gonna call it my melting band, okay? And I went on ahead and pretty much just let it air dry until I felt like it was done, and I'm done. So I grabbed my scissors and I'm gonna cut the extra lace off. Now, some people really do this method different. Some people actually put it behind their ears. They put the extra band on the top of their head. But me, I'm just gonna go on ahead and I'm gonna cut this extra lace, and I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's kind of tacky, but like I said, this is literally my first time doing this. But overall, the more I do it, the more it's gonna get better, okay? So I felt like the spray wasn't going to be good enough, so I got my got2b glue. Now, I literally sucked this dry because I ain't got none left. So I got to do what I got to do, and I got my comb, I stuck it in there, and I put the rest of it on my cap. Now I'm going in with my got2b spray so I could just pretty much hold this down a little bit better than what it is now. And then I grabbed my band. Now I kept my band on for about 10, maybe 15 minutes, not long. I feel like I could have, you know, kept it on there a little longer than what I did, but whatever. So once I hit the 10-15 minute mark, I went on ahead and took my band off, and I love the HD. cap. So now I'm going in with my makeup that I also got from Temu, and I'm just applying it on the front area or wherever I'm going to be parting it at. And I've decided I was going to do a middle part, so I'm going to put it in the top area. So now I'm going in with this. I got this from Temu as well. This is powdered foundation, and I've decided to put that on my cap as well because I felt like the liquid wasn't enough. But I also made a mistake by putting it on my lace. So take this with you guys. Do not put powdered foundation on your lace. I should have put my liquid, but we live and we learn, okay? So now it's time to put the wig on. So now I'm showing you guys how the hairline is, and I've been sitting here thinking, should I pluck it? And yeah, you see it, I'm about to pluck it. So now I'm about to get my clips and get the hair out of my face so I can work with this lace. So now it's time to cut the lace. So I did not lay my lace down first. Of course, some people do that, but me, this works better for me, just to cut the lace and then apply everything that I need after that. So now I'm about to go in with my melting spray. I absolutely love this stuff, you guys. It works wonders. Like when I say your wig is not going anywhere, I really do mean that. So I went on ahead and I ordered me another one. Like all the information is literally in the description box. So if you want to try this out yourself and order it, you can. It's very, very affordable. But this stuff right here is literally the best. Do you see my lace? Do you see after I spray how well it is blended? So now I'm gonna go in with my band so I can lay my lace down a little better than what it is. I can also say with this spray, it lasts me a week. I don't have to reapply anything or lay my lace down because it lasts. I also switched over to my scarf because my scarf does way better than the band in my opinion. Like I mentioned before, this is my first time doing this method. So on the side near my ears, it is lifting a little bit, but throughout this video, I will work on that and try to lay it down the best I can. Now I'm about to create my baby hairs. Now I always say I'm not going to do dramatic baby hairs. I'm just going to do something light, something simple, which that's what I did. So looking at this, that lace and blending, it looks like it's growing from my scalp. I love this lace on this unit. So now it's time to cut the baby hairs. I do cut in an angle in order to get the perfect baby hair. Normally I would use Got2b spray for my baby hairs, but since I found this melting spray, I I use that, and it's so good. Like, when I say I apply it this one good time, I don't have to apply again. Listen, I'm not the best with baby hairs, but I do try. It looks decent. It matched the other side. That's the goal in this. Now it's time to go in with my wax stick. Now, whenever you're flat ironing, the best thing to do is just stay at the top, especially if you have curly hair. Curly hair, you don't want to take away the curls. You don't want to, kind of like lose the pattern of the curl. So you're just gonna do this at the top only. So I grab my Got2b spray and I spray in front. This is just to bump the front area. So now I'm going in with my foundation, the same foundation I used on my HD cap, and I'm just going on the inside and along my baby hair area. So now I got my mousse. Now you can get any type of mousse. I just chose this because, baby, it was cheap and I am cheap. And I'm only putting it on the top and a little on the hair. I don't want to put so much on this hair where it just looks so heavy. But wait. Hold on. Let me show you.
They working my nerves. I'm about to pause and serve.
You guys, this unit from Temu is literally the cutest. Look at this unit. It really wasn't much that I've done to it. I'm thinking it wasn't that much, but I'm a little extra. I probably did a little bit more. It's human hair. I would give this unit literally a 10 out of 10. Literally. It's so soft. It's beautiful. It's very flowy. I did not put that much mousse in it because I felt like I really didn't want to take away from the softness of this hair. So I left it like this. I put a little on top to lay some of this down. I mean, the flat irons did good, but it's like I had a little flyaway hair, so I went on ahead and just, kind of like put it in there just to make sure it's down. But overall, like, y'all, this is so cute. But like, if you really want to purchase this unit, all the information is in the description box. If you are a new user, I got 30% off for you guys. So if you want to click that link below, go ahead. I got you, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching me install this unit.
13 stepping on shit to this pot. He brought me the money sealed up. I still had to count it. I cannot just hide. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds, they hit like a rainbow. That's cause the necklace a frame. Heard. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 6 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.